Now, ever notice how clients tune in and out during a pitch? Now, you're talking about your product and suddenly they check their phone. But when you mention something like cost savings, they're back again. Now, why does that happen? This is what we call selective listening in action. Now, clients filter out what they don't care about and only latch onto what matters to them. So, let me give you a very simple example. Say you're selling skincare to a woman. When you say something like brightening, skin lifting, cruelty free, or even mention the special word free gift, that's where she snaps back in. Now, these words hits home because it's exactly what she's looking for. Now, the same things happen in any sales conversations. Now, in sale, clients aren't paying attention to everything. It's kind of like scrolling through that social media. You skim over a lot, but when something relevant pops up, you stop. Now, in sales pitches, your clients is doing the same thing. They're filtering what's important to them. So, how do we make sure that our message sticks? You hit them with what they care about. But here's the catch though. We all know about empathy. We all know that. But it is not that's keeping them engaged. It gets you to the door, but it is the relevance that keeps them listening. So let me share a few strategies that's going to keep your clients locked into your pitch, even over multiple meetings. Always start with what's directly impact your client. Now, instead of talking the features first, lead with the results. Now say this is going to cut your cost by 20%. Now that's when they will stop scrolling mentally and pay attention, right? Attention equates to money. You know what I mean? So just like how brightening grabs attention in skincare, you need that clear, direct language. Don't hog them down with jargon. Simple benefit focused statements are the key. Ask something like, how about saving 20%? And how is that going to impact your operations? Now, that kind of question is going to force them to actively participate, which keeps their focus sharp. Share a quick story that mirrors their situation. Something like, we work with a similar company and save them X%, and here's how. Now, when they see themselves or picture themselves in that story, they stay hooked. So, how do we keep them engaged over a longer sales cycle? Now, it's even trickier though because you're having multiple conversations here and attention drops fast. So, here's what I found that works. Don't give them everything up front. Leave a bit of curiosity about what's coming next, like a good series, a Netflix show, and leave them wanting more. The more you focus on their specific needs in the follow up, the more they stay engaged. If they're interested in cost savings, make sure that's your next touch point, and it's all about that. Now, clients are always thinking long term. Highlight how your solution will not only solve today's problem, but also fit into their future. Now, this keeps them thinking about you beyond just the immediate pitch. Now, here's the bottom line. Selective listening happens all the time, anywhere, anyhow. Your job as a salesperson is to make sure that they are hearing the parts that count. So lead with relevance and keep simple. Ask questions that keep them in the conversation and keep them in the loop. So that's all pretty much it. I want to hear from you. What's the one thing you say in your pitch that gets your client to really tune in? Drop your thoughts in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe for more sales insights and negotiation strategies. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.